Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, in this video you will learn that how to change the color of the workspace in AutoCAD. Now it is black and we want to make it green or red, so how to do? So we will learn in this video. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe for more such informative videos. So now we want to change the color of this workspace, which is black. We want to change it to red color, so we can change this color by going to the options. So we can quickly or shortly access the options. We can write in the command line by writing the options and then enter. So this options window will open and there are a lot of tabs which is used to play with the settings in the AutoCAD. So the first one is the file, and then you have to go to the display, and in the display, so now you can change the color. So by clicking on the color, so before you can change the color by working with the window elements. So in the window elements you go to the colors, and here you will click on the colors that you want to change. So you want to make that red, so we'll click on red and then we'll apply and close, and then we'll apply here and we'll OK. Now you can see the color has been changed from black to red. So now we want to change it to green, so we can access the options window from here and we can also access from here from this quick access button by clicking here on the options, and so this will open. We will go to the colors, and here we will click on this green and we will apply and close, and then we'll apply. So you can see the color has been changed from the red to this green. So if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section, and thank you for watching this video.